If you want to get AnyDesk for free and start using remote access on your computer, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you how to find the official AnyDesk website, download the app, install it, launch it, and connect to another device safely and correctly. This is a simple tutorial, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along without any confusion. And if this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed on your device. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type AnyDesk. When the results appear, make sure you choose the official AnyDesk website. This is very important because you always want to download software from the official source to avoid fake downloads or unsafe files. After you open the official website, look for the Download Now button. Click it to start downloading the AnyDesk installer to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few seconds or a little longer. While the file is downloading, you can make sure you have enough space on your device and that your system is ready for installation. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. On most computers, you can find this in your Downloads folder or in the bottom of your browser window. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, click Yes or Allow so the setup can continue. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Usually, this is just a matter of clicking Next and waiting for the setup to finish. After AnyDesk is installed, launch the application. When it opens, you'll see your AnyDesk address or this desk ID displayed on the screen. This is the unique ID that other people can use to connect to your device. Take a moment to look at it so you understand where to find it later. If you are sharing your screen with someone you trust, this is the code they will need to enter on their side. Now, if you want to connect to another device, look for the field where you can enter the remote device's AnyDesk address. Type in the address carefully because one wrong number or letter can stop the connection from working. After entering the address, click Connect. AnyDesk will then send a connection request to the other device. On the remote device, the other user will need to click Accept. This is an important security step because no one can access the device unless the remote user approves the connection. Once they accept, the session will begin and you'll be able to work remotely depending on the permissions allowed. And that's it. You now know how to get AnyDesk for free, install it, open it, and connect to another device step by step. This is a great tool for remote support, screen sharing, and accessing another computer from anywhere. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.